To set the Vivid filter as the default on an iPhone 16 Pro Max or Pro, start by opening the Settings icon. Inside Settings, navigate to the Camera settings and locate the Preserve Settings option, which is typically found in the middle of the menu. Tap on Preserve Settings to open the corresponding menu. Then enable Camera Mode, Creative Controls, and Depth Control. These options should turn green when activated. Once this is done, exit the settings and open the Camera app. At the top of the Camera app, tap the arrow to access more settings. Then scroll down until you find the Vivid filter. Select the filter and adjust the tone and warmth to your preference using the options at the bottom of the screen. Take a single photo, which can be deleted later, to apply the filter. From this point on, every photo taken will use the Vivid filter, as it has been set as the default. This is because the Creative Controls option, which was enabled earlier, is set to preserve the last used filter, allowing it to be applied to all new photos. By following these steps, the Vivid filter will be set as the default on the iPhone.